Dude has a regular minifog. What do you think of Gene Newsies? I wouldn't hot. So we're gonna build hot. Siya. Time to build. Time to build. Which should I? So I took my clothes. Let's add some minifigures. So these are the battles I wanted to recreate. What? And if you want some battles, let's recreate them in Lego. Okay? So let's put some minifigs there. Sheet. Okay. Hope this doesn't fall again. Let's add some minifigs. Now let's add some clones. Then I have this spiky thing. Then I added the this getting shot. Then I added some. Both of them getting shot. I don't know. What's your favorite clone name? My favorite is Thorn from the Clone Wars. Sure. Let's build. Oh wait. Don't look at that. See. Let's remove that. Thank you. Piatos. Ay, piatos. Pagkain yun.
Chichiria.
Chichaira.
Itong magiging batayan para isip natin o yung pagpapanagod din dun sa mga nasa office of the Vice President. Kung nang-existent sila yung obvious na ang implications nito. There was thought
And then check this one.
Para kay House Assistant Majority Leader Judas Idre, dapat hindi ng iba pang acknowledged statistics na isinumite ng OBP. At kung lalabas na gawa-gawa lang ang mga ito, pwede itong magamit bilang ebidensya sa impeachment complaint laban kay Vice Duterte.
Kung merong kamalian sa isa, siguro it gives us a reason.
Boom. Upgraded that.
Spurious din yung iba. At kung spurious ito on a large scale, baka umabot tayo sa technical malversation.
Kasama sa mga pumirma sa unang impeachment complaint, ang pamangkin ni dating Pangulong Noynoy Aquino na si Francis Joseph Aquino D, dating Presidential Supervisor na
Shut!
dating Macro Representative Gary Alejandro, mga pari na sina Father Flavio Villanueva at running priest Robert Reyes, at ang kapamilya Ian de los Santos,
Yay!
Warren Grant noong nagdaang administrasyon.
Meow.
I think quite clearly problematic things and we're calling her out.
Wala pang tugon ng OVP sa inaing impeachment complaint sa Kamara.
I wanna be. 1 second later. Oof. I built this to go with the Republic gun ship, even though it doesn't look like it. I don't wanna be the Republic gun ship. It's just the Republic gun ship. I added a second part. This time I upgraded it so it would look better than the original version. I just wanna be and yeah, he died. He died. Dad, Dawn. So I added a vehicle to go with it. I bought the Lego set to build some custom shields using legs. Then I added my public. Just so I added my public ditch. Just trying to fix it to the build, and I even added this guy with shield to build it. We just did parts. I just added some clothes, fighting some droids. Oh, it's an iconic scene where Dawn takes takes all of the clone droids and this kicks given take out all of the clone droids. And now we won the base.